The question here is, a merchant has 840 kg of rice, part of which he sells at 9% profit and the rest at 16% profit, and he gains 12% profit on the whole. So what is the quantity sold at 16% profit? So a simple question which says total quantity is 840 kgs, some part of it is sold at 9% profit and the remaining part, the rest of it, is sold at 16% profit. Now on the whole, on the total 840 kgs, the profit obtained is 12%. So what is the quantity that was sold at 16% profit? The simple solution for this question can be obtained by applying the allegation rule on the given profit percentages. If you understand the question here, the complete 840 kgs is like a mixture of two parts of rice. The first part is sold at 9%, second at 16%, and when you combine both the parts, we get the whole of the mixture which has been sold at 12%. So we can simply apply the allegation rule on the given profit percentages and find out the ratio of the two parts. Now, as we know, the first part is sold at 9% profit. So 9. The second part is sold at 16% profit. So 16 is the value here, and the mixture or the whole of the rice is sold at 12% profit. So the value for the mixture can be taken as 12. Now, by taking the cross differences, we get the ratio. So 16 difference 12 is 4 and 9 difference 12 is 3. So the ratio in which these two parts have been mixed to obtain the total 840 kgs is 4:3. Now from the question we are required to find out the quantity which is sold at 16% profit. Now if you look at it, the quantity which is sold at 16% profit is 3 parts as against 4 parts which has been sold at 9% profit, right? So we can say Q1 is to Q2, or the quantity sold at 9% profit is to quantity sold at 16% profit equals to 4:3. Yes or no? This is at 9% profit, 4 parts, and 16% profit is 3 parts. Now, the quantity which has been sold at 16% profit will be equal to 3 parts out of total 4 plus 3, 7, multiplied by the total quantity which is 840 kgs. This is the basics of ratio and proportions which you have discussed in the topic. So 3 by 7 into 840. 7 goes 120 times into 3 gives you 360. So we can say 360 kg of rice was sold at 16% profit. So this is how we can apply allegation rule for solving questions based on mixtures. We also need to note that in some cases, instead of giving the mean value, the individual values are given along with the ratio, and we are required to find out the mean value, which again can be done by using the allegation rule or by using the equation that we have discussed in the introduction part of this video. For example, let's assume that here the profit is not given. The profit obtained on the whole is not mentioned, right? So that has to be calculated. Let us take it as M. But the ratio is given. The ratio of the two quantities is 4:3. So how do we obtain the profit obtained on the overall mixture? That can be done as follows. Remember, always the mean value will be in between the two given values, right? This is like the mean cost, right? The cost of the mixture. It should always be between the cheaper cost and the dearer cost, or between the two values. So here the mean value is going to be between 16 and 9. It will be less than 16, but it will definitely be more than 9. Now we know that 4:3, 4 by 3 is equal to, now how do we obtain 4? 16 difference M, 16 minus M, because M is lesser than 16. And how do we get this 3 here? The difference of 9 and M. But here M will be more than 9. So it can be taken as M minus 9. Right? 4 by 3. The ratio here will be equal to 16 difference M by 9 difference M. 16 difference M by 9 difference M. But we take this as 16 minus M because we know M is less than 16, and the denominator will be taken as M minus 9 because M will be more than 9, as M always falls between the two given values. Now by cross multiplication we can find out the value or the profit on the overall mixture. So when we cross multiply, we get 4M minus 36 will be equal to 48 minus 3M. So this gives 4M plus 3M. 7M will be equal to 36 plus 48, which is 84. So M will be equal to 12, which is 12%, because anyway these two values are in terms of percentage. So this also will be a percentage value. So M, that is the profit on the mixture, will be equal to 12%. So this is how we can either find out the ratio or the mean value, which can be mean price or mean strength or mean value, by using the alligation rule.